final les vamos a enseñar el ruido que está haciendo en el mofle. It's basically the exhaust behind the header. Parece que lo dejaron suelto cuando se mandó a arreglar la camioneta, so I have an exhaust leak. So I'm gonna try to see if I can tighten up the bolts and quiet it down a bit. I'm gonna turn it on right now so you guys can hear it, and then we're gonna try to see if we can get it fixed. So that's basically the noise it's doing. So usually it just really sounds loud as soon as I turn it on, but after that it quiets down, but it's still a bit annoying.
Hi, Jalen.
What happened to you, homie? Damn, está bien loose.
Swear.
Yeah. Ay, no le lleven su troca. Lo va a quemar. I wonder if it's just that side or really is missing un pinche.
Hopefully it's just loose and it's not barrido a la verga.
Alright, so one of the bolts is actually loose. The other two are tight, but we turned on the truck and I could actually feel the air coming out of there, so we know it's actually this gasket right here. I was gonna tighten it up, but might as well just remove it and see if it's the actual gasket might be squished. Alright, YouTube. Alright, esta es la Ford Explorer
2007.
del hermano, una 2007. We're just gonna change out the turn signal light from the front. It's not working, so we're gonna kill some time y cambiarla real quick para que se vayan safe on their way back home, que no los pare la chota. Uno, dos y tres el de allá abajo. No había que see that. Ese mero. And then we think there might be one on this little arm that swings back there, but we're not sure. I doubt it. I think that's part of the housing there from the headlight.
So just probably 3.
Yeah. El bulb se mira oscuro. The bulb looks dark, but you can see in there the little wires are still intact. They're not broken or anything. Usually when they burn, that'll be broken. So we're just gonna go ahead and install a new bulb, see if that helps it. And if not, we'll start chasing the problem. Hopefully that's all it is. So there goes the new light bulb. Oh, that's all it was. Push it in before it gets hot. That's that. Alright, you can turn it off now. So that's all it was, guys. So that's one. And that's the other one. When we put it back together. So for this 2007 Ford Explorer, all it was is those 3 bolts. These 2 top ones. Then it has this one down here, which you would access through that hole right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. Alright, so for this right here, that bolt that goes on there, you would usually use un magnetic bit so you can put in there, pero como I don't have one right now, what I did is get a paper, piece of tissue, whatever. Y lo que haces es, you put it on the end, así, que tape el lado, and then you put the screw in there, like this. You push it in there so it can hold, and once it goes in, it basically tightens up that screw in there, so when you tilt it, it ain't going nowhere, so you're able to put that screw in there. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back in, and you could cut it around so you can see around it too, but we're just gonna go ahead and
Aquí somos masters, yeah.
guess it. Oh well, yeah, guess it. Here, let me put some lights, see if that helps them over there. ¿Entró?
I think it did. Yeah.
Alright, so as soon as it goes in a bit, just you can keep going with it or just remove it so you can see que haya entrado bien, and then just finish it up, and then ya apretas esos dos de arriba. Alright guys, so that was it for the headlight turn signal. Ya que el hermano tiene unos focos ahí, vamos a checar si esta le cabe, porque creo que el de aquí, si no me mistaken, está fundido. Parece que es igual.
It kind of, yeah.
Déjame le prendo a ver si.
It actually did turn on. También se prende. Oh no, wait, no, it didn't turn on no more.
So
Yeah.
el turn signal prende, pero no el que se queda amarillo. Nada más le soltamos aquí y sale.
You see?
Parece que es igual, pero se me hace raro, güey. Pues que es diferente, este es puro turn signal. That's why.
It turned on.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
Yeah. Es que si miran si miran la diferencia de este foco y este, no sé por qué no lo noté, pero este tiene nomás una varilla adentro que es para el turn signal. Y este tiene dos functions. It's basically your running lights and turn signal. Y este no, este es just turn signal. Pero ahí estamos. Vamos a ponérselo para atrás y a cambiarle también el cuartito que está abajo. Let's see if we can get to it. Este de aquí también está fundido. Estos cuando los saquen tengan cuidado, porque me ha pasado que los estoy sacando y están pegados, y por quererlos sacar con fuerza los reviento con los dedos, y por suerte I haven't cut myself. But so yeah guys, this is gonna be the end for this video, and thank you for watching. If you guys like this video and are interested in watching any more new videos, just go ahead and comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that whenever we upload new videos, you guys will be able to watch them. And of course, with time, we'll start uploading better content, better video quality, and better parts.
For real.
Till next time, guys.